86% of middle school and high school students here in West Virginia don't smoke. And that is the result of what you guys and gals are doing right now.
Shall we begin?
That's where we need you to help out. When you think about this, right now about 43,000 students, young adults under the age of 18, here in West Virginia, well, they're gonna die prematurely because of tobacco use. Right now, right about 1 in 7 high school students is smoking. So we still have a lot of work ahead of us. And that is why you're here. You're part of something bigger than yourself. You're part of a mission. You're part of a movement that is making a difference in so many lives.
Good answers. Everybody put your hand on your chest. Put your hand on your head. Put your hand out there like you're a princess waving. Yeah. Okay, so biologically, psychologically, and socio-culturally, there are so many factors that make quitting so hard. Biologically, some of you said it right. You know, you become addicted to it. You have withdrawal symptoms when you're trying to quit, so your body is literally just like, give me more, give me more. What also happens biologically, it increases your heart rate. It increases your feel-good reward system. You start feeling like, this is good. You're rewarding yourself. The psychological part, what happens with your movements? You know, it becomes a habit, automated behavior. You know, you have that phantom cigarette. And so it becomes a psychological and then socio-cultural. Why do so many adolescents and teens start smoking? It rhymes with friends. It starts with friends. Yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad do you want to quit smoking? On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad do you want to quit dipping? Just a simple way to gauge everything. So again, ask, advise, assess. Next up, assist. Okay, in the front here, how can you assist somebody who wants to quit? All right, it's Patrick back again, and Trevor Kreitz 1 wants to know what's in cigarettes. Well, when burned, cigarettes produce over 7,000 chemicals, 69 of these known to cause cancer. Among these chemicals are going to be arsenic, found in rat poison, formaldehyde, an embalming fluid, carbon monoxide, you know, the stuff that comes out of cars, cadmium, a component in battery acid, butane, found in lighter fluid, gross, lead, used in batteries, nobody's favorite, acetone, the same stuff found in nail polish. Now the scary thing is, many of these chemicals are the same ones found in e-cigarettes. Just remember, protect these lungs. 3, 2, 1. All right, ladies, bring it. Oh, that hurt good.